Today we're going to go over the proper way to do a television installation. The television is going to come in a box like so. You and your partner would basically open it up out of the packaging, gently pick the television up, place it on an inconspicuous spot out of the way, still leaving the styrofoam packaging on the unit to protect the bottom of the TV. And you now have this nice television box to use as a flat surface to mount the legs. So box down our trusty furniture pad to protect the customer's new purchase. And of course, this is for demonstration purposes only. This would be done with 2 people, but for demonstration purposes, I'm doing it alone. Very imperative that you check the styrofoam and all the packaging for the customer's installation manual, the remote, and the legs that we need for the white glove service. Before you put the legs on, these 2 tabs have to be lifted first. So make certain that it's done before you slide the legs inside of the television. Snap right in place like so. TV's ready to go, mounted on the stands. Connect the power cord. Power up, test for the customer, answer any desired questions. That's it. You're ready to rock and roll.